All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in western Arizona. You can see I've got my truck with the ramps, got the trike out, got my trailer, and I am camped on BLM land. This is boondocking on public lands, and I want to take a little ride a little bit deeper into the canyon, explore that a little bit on my trike, and then I'm going to go out onto the road. I'm about a mile from the main road and ride into Lake Havasu City, explore that a little bit. And then please stay tuned to the end, because last night I put my drone in the air to get a picture of the sunset, and I found a whole herd of bighorn sheep. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So yeah, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, yeah, so I'm riding a little bit further into this canyon where I am camped. This is BLM public lands, Bureau of Land Management. You're allowed to camp for as long as 14 days at a time. It doesn't cost anything, but you have to come with everything you need. There are no services available. There's no electricity, no water, no sewer. So this is where I am camped. Got my truck and trailer here. And you can see there's some other people parked fairly close. I didn't really hear them last night. I had a peaceful night's sleep. Yeah, so I've been on the road now for a couple of weeks since leaving Palm Springs, staying at my friend's Catholic church. I think I was there for about 5 weeks. It was great. And the entire time I've been on the road, the temperatures have been very, very high. It's been 95, 96 degrees every day. The winds have been fierce. Oh my gosh, it's been like 25, 35 miles an hour every day. It's really hard to do much of anything, much less triking, when the temperatures are so high and the winds are so fierce. And I noticed that a couple of days ago that I was going to get a break in the weather. And I went from Tucson to Mesa to Prescott to Kingman, and then saw that the temperatures were going to be more in the 70s and 80s for the next few days. And so I thought this is going to be a really good time to do some boondocking off the beaten track. So I came to Lake Havasu. Lake Havasu City, home of the London Bridge. So I'm not even a quarter of a mile from where I'm camped. And I'm going to be turning off of this busier road onto London Bridge Road. So this is the Havasu National Wildlife Refuge. And it seems to be a place where I can ride my trike. I'm going to try it. You can see Lake Havasu here. Yeah, Mesquite Bay, turning it around here. Here's a guy fishing, just casting his line. He's got a little boat. Ah, lovely day for fishing. All right, we're going to turn it around. So I've taken off of Lake Havasu Boulevard and I am now on McCullough Avenue. Lake Havasu City was designed and built by a guy named Robert McCullough in the early 70s. And part of the design and development of this town is that he found a bridge in England that he bought, deconstructed brick by brick, block by block, and he had it rebuilt here in Lake Havasu. Here we go, London Bridge. Got an official sign from the City of London. So yeah, so we're going across the bridge. English and American flags here. Going over the water of Lake Havasu. Looks like there's a bike path on the other side here. So we're gonna follow that, see where it leads. I think I came to the end of this little island, Lake Havasu touristic area. Beautiful, beautiful day. And there's probably a lot more to see here, but I've already put in about 16 miles and I have to turn around and head back. Absolutely gorgeous day out here, and so nice to be here on such a beautiful day. It's cute, huh? This little lighthouse. All right, once again, got another view of the London Bridge. And I'm going to be turning off here to get back on the highway, find my way to my Craggy Wash Bureau of Land Management camping area. See you later, London Bridge. Okay, so we have just come off of, oh my goodness, big loud trucks. We have just come off of London Bridge Road and we have found a bike path. We'll see how far this takes us, but it'll be nicer than riding in the road. Always nice to be separated from traffic. All right, you guys, I'm coming to the end of this ride. I am just finishing up this little section that I had to do on busy Highway 95, and I am just about to turn onto Craggy Wash, get back to the campground, and just a delightful day out here, crossing the cattle grate. Let me know what you think about this ride, this day, this area, and please leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. You guys are awesome with your comments. I just love hearing from everybody. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.